If you want to change the title and meta tags in GoDaddy, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to update your page title and meta description inside GoDaddy Website Plus Marketing, so your site can be better optimized for search engines and visitors. This is a simple but powerful SEO task, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software and website guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to your My Products page. This is where all of your GoDaddy services are listed, including your website. Once you're on the My Products screen, scroll down until you find Websites Plus Marketing. Under that section, locate the site you want to edit and click Manage. This will take you into your website dashboard where you can control the design, content, and SEO settings for that specific site. From there, look for the option to edit website or edit site, depending on how your GoDaddy dashboard is displayed. Click that to open the Visual Website Builder. This is the area where you can make changes to your pages and see a preview of your site as you work. It's a very user-friendly editor, so even if you're new to website building, you should be able to follow along easily. Once the editor loads, look at the right-hand sidebar menu. Here, click the Settings tab. This section contains the tools you need for page-level SEO settings. Inside Settings, select Get Found on Google. This is the core SEO area in GoDaddy, and it's where you can update the search title and meta description for individual pages. Now choose the specific page you want to update from the list. This part is important because different pages on your website may need different titles and descriptions. For example, your homepage, services page, and contact page should all have unique metadata. Picking the right page ensures you're editing the correct SEO information. Next, update your metadata. In the page title or headline field, enter your new SEO title. Try to keep it clear, descriptive, and under 60 characters so it displays properly in search results. Use your main keyword naturally, but don't make it sound stuffed or robotic. A strong page title should quickly tell both Google and your visitors what the page is about. Then move to the description field and enter your meta description. This should include your target keywords and give a short, compelling summary of the page. Think of it as your search engine preview text. A good meta description can improve click-through rates by making people more likely to visit your site. After you've made your changes, click Done. That saves your edits inside the website builder. But you're not finished yet. To make the changes live on the internet, you need to click Publish in the top right corner. Publishing is the step that pushes your updated title and meta tags from the editor to your live website. Once the publish process is complete, your updated metadata should start showing in search engines over time as your pages get recrawled. Keep in mind that Google may take a little while to reflect the changes, so don't worry if you don't see them instantly. The important part is that your GoDaddy site is now updated correctly, and that's how you change the title and meta tags in GoDaddy. It's a quick SEO improvement that can make a real difference for your site's visibility. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more GoDaddy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.